Hi, I'm Gordon from Camera Labs, and in this video I'll share what I reckon are the best Black Friday deals on Canon gear. Now, this video is sponsored by Wex, who have been my UK retailer of choice for many years, but all of the product selections I'm going to talk about are my own, based on models that I've previously reviewed here. I don't care if something has simply been reduced in price, even substantially. I'm only going to recommend it to you if I genuinely think it's a decent product. Like many deals at this time of year, there can be multiple levels of discounting going on to be aware of, from simple price drops and coupons that you apply at the time of purchase, often coupled with cashback deals, which are claimed from the manufacturer later. Many deals are also only available for a very limited time, and in this video I'm going to concentrate on UK offers between the 22nd and 30th of November 2023. Yep, for just over 1 week, and I provided links to all of them at Wex in the description, but I've also included links to the latest US offers if you're shopping in America. Now, if you're watching this video after the 30th of November, some of the deals will no longer apply, but they're all still solid products to consider, and if you're after more details about any of them, I have reviews about every product that follows. Okay, let's start with Canon's more affordable mirrorless bodies, which in their current range means the R100, R50 and R10. Now, all of these have got deals available, and if you're after the lowest price model, the R100 has a price drop of £170, reducing the kit to $499. But for me personally, the EOS R50 represents the sweet spot of the three lower cost models in the Canon range, with worthwhile upgrades over the R100 without the cost of the R10. You're getting 24 megapixel photos, 4K video, decent autofocus, a fully articulated touchscreen, electronic viewfinder and microphone input, all giving you a step up in quality, handling and control over a phone, as well as access to interchangeable lenses. Sure, there's no built-in stabilization, but Canon reserves that for pricier models, and the kit lens does have optical stabilization. The R50 kit with the 14-45 zoom has a price drop of £100 with an extra £100 off with the coupon Canon100, and that reduces it from £899 to £699, so that's a very reasonable £200 saving. Moving up to full frame, there's deals on all of the current Canon models, but at the more affordable end of the range, the EOS R8 is my personal choice, packing the photo, video and the autofocus of the higher end R6 II into a lighter, simpler and more affordable body. Sure, it lacks the IBIS, dual card slots and bigger battery of the R6 II, but if you don't need them, or indeed if you actually prefer a body without IBIS, say for handheld vlogging, then you're getting a very capable camera at a decent price. Between the 22nd and 30th of November, you'll enjoy a double cashback deal, reducing the body or 24-105 STM kit prices by £260. For more substantial savings though, check out the EOS R6 II with not only double cashback of £400, but an additional £200 off at the time of purchase with the coupon Canon200. That means you're getting £600 off the body or kit prices, getting you a confident 24 megapixel full framer with uncropped 4K 60p video, fast bursts, great autofocus, built-in stabilization, dual card slots, a large battery and detailed composition. The £600 total discount brings the body price down from £2,779 to a much more reasonable £2,179, while the 24-105 f4L kit comes down from £4,000 to £3,400. But wait a minute there, I found an even better deal on the body and lens combination. If you were to buy the 24-105 f4L zoom by itself, it has its own Black Friday double cashback deal of £300, reducing it from £1,389 to £1,089. Add that to the R6 II's discounted body price of £2,179 and you're getting yourself a high-end kit for £3,268, saving you £731 in total from the original retail price. After something even higher end, okay, the EOS R5 may now be over 3 years old, but it remains Canon's best camera for all-round photo and video use, sporting 45 megapixels, 8K video, IBIS, dual card slots and fast bursts. Plus, many of its issues when first released have been resolved by a series of firmware updates, making it an attractive option today. The R5 bodies and kits all have a £300 price drop at the time of purchase, plus an additional double cashback deal of £500 for a total saving of £800. This reduces the R5 body price of £42.99 to £3,499, and while a successor is inevitably in the pipeline, the original model with its updates remains a supremely powerful camera today. I should also mention that anyone who's more into video than photo might be interested in the R5C or C70 cameras, which both enjoy double cashback deals of £700 and £600 respectively. Okay, how about some lenses? If you're thinking of investing in some high-end L-glass in the RF mount, there's £700 double cashback on the RF 2870 f2, the RF 85 1.2 and RF 70-200 2.8. as well as £500 double cashback on the RF 24-70 2.8, RF 15-35 2.8, RF 50 1.2 and the RF 135 1.8 lenses. This makes them all much more reasonable propositions. For me though, the best lens deal of all right now is on the excellent RF 100-500 zoom, which not only has a £700 double cashback deal, but an additional price drop of £160. That reduces it from £2,939 to a much more affordable £2,079. And if you're after a long zoom for your EOS R body at a lower cost, the very respectable RF 100-400 has a £200 double cashback offer. Not a huge discount, but welcome nonetheless. Again, most of these deals, especially the Black Friday double cashback ones, are only available for a limited time between the 22nd and 30th of November 2023. So if you're interested in any of them, get in there. I have links to all of them in the description and reviews of everything that I've mentioned on this channel if you want more detail. Thanks again to Wex for sponsoring this video and making it possible for me to work through all of those Canon deals to find the best ones for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you back yourself a bargain. Let me know in the comments what you get.